Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate data saver, since some people do face the problem of TikTok consuming their data so much, but those who uses Wi-Fi are less likely to face this issue. So for the data users I'm going to show you how all that problem is solved. And you will not face the issue of having your data running out so fast, hence why in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done. So let's simply start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, make sure you on the menu profile. So start by opening the three dots in the corner. Then simply come and then open settings and privacy. And now that the settings are open, you can see all these tools to work with. So simply start by sliding down and then try going on this section which says cache and cellular data. And then come on this part which says data saver. And now as you can see we have the data saver activate button, so once turned on, your data will be saved from now on as you using TikTok. So simply turn this button on. And now as you can see it has turned on. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.